Start by placing one smaller vase right in top of a larger one. Then grab your peeps and we're just going to put them all the way right here at the bottom, all the way around our vase. Just like that. Look at how easy these guys just slide right in there.
Ooh.
Just kind of, you know, that's the nice thing about them being marshmallows. They just secure, and now what this will do is we'll just secure those two vases right like that. Perfect. We are off to a great start. Next, we're grabbing a bag of Whopper eggs. Now I chose the Whopper eggs because I feel like they're a little bit larger, and we're just gonna pour them all in here. Let me use my hand actually, the second layer. Look at those colors really coming together nicely. They look so cute. I love it. Super easy centerpiece, you guys, right in time for Easter. Now we'll just come back in with another layer of these cute little bunny peeps we have here. Look at how cute these guys are. I love the color yellow. And you know what? They have other colors too, which I do not remember there being all these different colors all the time. Is that a new thing? I feel like that's a new thing. Okay, I have one little guy here that I think he's gonna fit. I'm just gonna scooch that over and stick him right in there, just like that. Kind of move the marshmallow around. Okay, cute. I have another bag of these Whopper eggs, and I'm gonna place those all around the top. Just creating another layer here. Whoops. I'll eat that later. Look at how cute this looks. Oh my goodness. What a simple and easy idea this is. I love this idea. Look at the color. How do the colors look over there, babe? The colors are looking so good. Just have a few more eggs that'll just fit right in here. Love it. Now I have just a little bit of water. I'm going to pour right here in the center of my vase. And a few pretty flowers that I got from the store. I'm just gonna take off some of these bottom leaves right here so they're not too bushy in the vase. That looks good, and I'll place them right here in the center, just sticking the last of my flowers in here. And look at that. How cute and simple that was. You guys, I wanna know, would you make this or would you have a different twist on it? Tell me in the comments. I love this cute, easy centerpiece idea, and I hope you do too.